Torah tells us in this week's Parsha Mattos about the Parsha of Nedarim, the topic of Nedarim, that a person has the ability to take that which the Torah permits and can make it forbidden to oneself. It's actually a tremendous chiddush, a really strange idea that I can do something that the Torah permits, I can say something, and now if I violate it, I actually violate a Torah prohibition. But the introduction that the Torah gives when the Torah is describing it is a bit surprising. The Torah says, Zeh hadavar, right? So many talk about why it is that Moshe had to tell this commandment specifically to the heads of all the Shvatim. And this is the thing that Hashem commanded. Hashem has told Moshe so many mitzvos throughout the Midbar, throughout the Torah. Why does he have to say Zeh hadavar? It sounds like there's something special, something big, something that just stands out about this above and beyond everything else. And first, I'm trying to figure out why it is that he says Zeh hadavar. This is the thing. What is unique? What is special? The Chassam Sofer makes a fascinating comment. Says the Chassam Sofer, what does that mean? Kichol haTorah tole b'chlal hazeh shelo yavar al asher kibel atzmo ba'ala u'b'shua dilokem gam shvuos har Sinai lo yikaimu. Says the Chassam Sofer something so sharp, exactly the point that we just said. When it comes to a neder, that is something that the Torah does not require one to do. Does not require one to do, but somebody accepts it upon himself. Once somebody accepts it upon himself, the person has to do it. So says the Torah, this is the thing. Hashem gave this to you. If you can't do the things that you say you're going to do, then how can you possibly do all of the things that Hashem has asked you to do? So Zeh, this is the test. If we can't keep our own words, if we've decided we're ready, we could take upon ourselves something extra, something that maybe we otherwise wouldn't be able to do, but we can accept it upon ourselves. We're ready to do it. And we can't fulfill it. And how is it that we can accept upon ourselves? How can we can expect that we're going to fulfill all of the mitzvos of the Torah? So that is the introduction. Zeh Asher Tziva Hashem, that there is something unique here. And I think it's a broader lesson, that even when it doesn't come to a neder, keeping our word is something which is so critical and so fundamental. It is so easy to just say something, let something slip and not follow up, but we lose. Lo yachel devaro, the Torah says, don't let your words become chol, don't let them become without any holiness to them. Our job is to infuse our lives with Kedusha. The first step in infusing our lives with Kedusha is to make sure that the words that we say, is if we don't have to say it, so don't say it. But once we say it, follow up, do what we need to do. If we could do that, that's what Hashem says, then hopefully we'll have the ability not only to fulfill that which we add as if it were onto the Torah, but Hashem's commandments as well.